This video is going to demonstrate how to turn on all the video elements here at Liquid Mountainside, including ProPresenter, switcher, Pro Video Sync, speakers, projectors, and TVs in the lobby. The first thing you want to do when you show up to any event or service is come into the control room that is located in the balcony of the building, and you're going to come over to the far right rack located on this table, and there's one important button that turns on the switchers, the speakers, the clock, and the patch bay unit. It's this switch right on the top. Flip that. It's going to take a few minutes for everything to boot up. And now the next thing you want to do is open up ProPresenter. So the computer on the far left operates ProPresenter. It should be asleep, so you just want to wiggle the mouse. ProPresenter is located on the bottom of the dock. Just click it and open up. Now, it is important to note that you want to turn on the power switch that we mentioned earlier before we open up ProPresenter in order to get the outputs on ProPresenter correct. So after turning on the power switch by the rack, opening up ProPresenter, next, if you need to use 3-screen video elements such as any type of sermon or special video that you even want to use, I don't even know, we're going to want to open up Pro Video Sync. So it's run off a Mac Mini that's located in the rack down here. There's a 1-button power on the right of the rack. It's a silver rack. Once you turn that on, it's going to boot up, and the computer is located up here, and you should be good. This is the USB port for the Mac Mini where you can plug in your hard drive or USB into the Mac Mini. In the Mac Mini server rack, you will also see this power switch. Please make sure to always keep this on after your event, and if it is off for some reason, just make sure that is flipped up. Also, these remotes control a couple different things. This is the projector remote. This remote will power on all the projectors. The on button will turn it on, and at the end of the event, you can double tap the standby button to turn it off. This remote powers all TVs in the building, including the one that's located below front of house as the confidence monitor. Simply, the green on button will turn all the TVs on, and the standby button will turn them off. When you're finished with your event, now it's time to turn off the system. First, you want to quit ProPresenter and put that computer to sleep. Do not shut it off. Then you want to flip the switch down on the far right rack. Next, you want to shut down the PVS computer, which is located on the top of that same rack that you just shut off. Remember to keep this floor rack always on. From there, you can turn off the projectors and the TVs in the building. And with that, you should be good.